to Rock's Kitchen. And today, we're going to be making some
Mitorashi Dango.
Now
Mitorashi Dango.
is a famous dish in Japan. And today, we're going to go and we're going to go we're going to make it. So, let's make it. So let's now go over the ingredients for our sea salt, baking powder, all-purpose flour, black pepper, ginger, organic ginger, breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, rice, basmati rice, whatever the fuck this pepperoni. Forget the cumin. So, cheese balls. So we now have all of our ingredients. So let's go ahead and make some Mitorashi Dango. And also, if you're not too familiar with
Mitorashi Dango.
here's a picture of them right here. Not this. I don't know what this is, but this is our Mitorashi Dango. Let's go ahead and make some of our dough. Okay, let's get started. So, grab your flour. Put some in the bowl. That should be enough for Mitorashi Dango. So, now we add some water. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Okay. Now, I don't have eggs, but I do have breadcrumbs. So, let's go ahead and pour some of these suckers in here. You know? Yeah. And now, let's add some more water. Let's mix it again. Okay, looks like we're done. We are. Delicious Mitorashi Dango. Now, in Japan, black pepper is actually a delicacy. No one's sure if it's a religion of some sort, but it does work out. So, make sure to put some black pepper in it and mix it up. So now we're gonna go ahead and make our Mitorashi fillings. So let's go ahead and preheat our air fryer for 400 degrees. Yes. So let's start making our fillings for the Mitorashi Dango. So we're gonna need some nice pepperonis. And make sure to add some cumin. Fuck. Now, we're gonna want to add some strawberry yogurt. Now, the Japanese, unlike us Americans, actually really like sweet and saltiness combined together. But did you also know that back in the old Japanese times... looks like our preheat is preheated. But let me go on with the fact. So, in the old ancient Japanese times, instead of eating sweet things and salty things, they ate sweet and salty things. Okay, guys, I kind of fucked up. You're not supposed to add yogurt. You're supposed to add milk. So, give me a moment. So, I went ahead and got some pepperonis and milk. So, now we add some flour. I just opened up my P.O. box, so if you want to send me some mail, then yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna start to make our dough balls and fillings so we can put it in the air fryer. I'd use a glove for this part. So you're gonna have to grab some of your balls of filling. Okay. It's supposed to be sticky. Okay. You're gonna want to assort it into 3 different assortments, okay? Okay. Here we go. Okay. Okay. And then now, we're going to want to make a little hole in the middle. Or not. Excellent. So, we're going to want to now dip our balls into our mixture. Here we go. Okay, that's one. Now, I don't know what the fuck they'd add pepperonis to this, but okay. It's going to be good. Okay, so now you're going to want to get some avocado cooking spray and spray it on your sheet. Okay, you're gonna get a little more. Fuck! Ah! Fuck! Oh! Ah! Oh, shit! Okay. Hey, everyone, so now you're gonna want to grab your balls and grab them and put them on this thing. They might not be balls, but when they get cooked, they will. And now we smack them in the air fryer. Let's go ahead and put our dough balls in. You guys, after about 14 minutes, I got the dough balls in, so now we just put them in. And yeah, I would occasionally check on them every 5 minutes to make sure they're not burnt, because we don't want them to end up like the donut. So, we'll be back. Alright, it looks like our dough balls are done. Wow. Wow. They look very good. So, we're going to take them out and we're going to shape them into balls. Alright, everybody, so now let's shape our dough balls into balls. Fuck! Shit! I would use gloves for this, so they don't get burnt. Damn. You know what? I think they're okay. Now, this is the best part about Mitorashi Dango, is pouring the soy sauce on it. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Thank you, everyone, for joining me on Rock's Kitchen for our... And let's go ahead and taste
Mitorashi
it.
Dango.
You know what? That's some good shit. Oh my god. Goodbye.